Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another video. So it has been so pretty here today. It's been beautiful all day and I've been outside all day, and I wanted to show you a video. So I did a chalkboard sign for my front porch. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, so I finally did it and I filmed it for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. I used 1/8 inch thick hardboard or craft board. I'll leave a link down below, and I also used Waverly chalk paint in the color ink and a sponge applicator. I drew some lines where I'll be putting my letters and my words because I'm just going to be freehanding this. I will be using a chalk pen on this chalk paint, and because I'm going to be doing that, I wasn't sure how a stencil would work with that. I thought it might be a little bit messy. So I'm just going to be freehanding it, and I got my inspiration from several different places. I looked at Pinterest and I looked online at some clip art, and I just pulled it up on my phone and started drawing. This chalk pen I got from Walmart, and it worked really good on this project. You can also use a paint pen if you want to make it more permanent, but the chalk actually went on a little bit more dark and clear. I'll link everything down in the description box below. I just drilled a couple of holes about 2 inches in away from the sides, and I used this jute cord also from Walmart and just tied it in a knot and made a little hanger. And that's all I did for this project. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you get some inspiration out of it to make your own at-home projects. If you liked this video, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel to check out more videos in the future, and I will see you in the next one.